Hello everyone, this is Unais Ali. I am here at the Ford Field Manufacturing in America 2024. This event is organized by Siemens. As an entrepreneur, I am really impressed by how many young entrepreneurs are here and they displayed wonderful projects. Let me give you a walkthrough and show you each table in this video. This video is especially for our valuable NED University students so they can grab some ideas for their final year projects and how they can implement these technologies in Pakistan. We are eagerly waiting to see some innovative results, not just in our research labs, but in our cities across our country. The company over here is a Nova Star. They design tools for calibration. Faro provide one-step solution to convert any real manufacturing industry into virtual one to do inspections while sitting at home. CKD develops and sell automation machinery that can lift heavy weight. Excuse me. I am about to reach the Siemens section and they have got the music turned up very loud. I won't be able to talk, but let me add some background music for the rest of the video.